So for those of you that are familiar with my channel, you know that quite a few of my videos are about treadmills and treadmill parts. And because of that, I have gotten a lot of comments asking questions about things they've seen in my videos and other parts of treadmills, that kind of thing. And so this is just going to be a video to go over some of those frequently asked questions.
Greetings, fellow DIYer, and welcome to my video.
So the next question I get is, what, if anything, can I do with all the extra parts that I get from a treadmill? And there is so many things you can do with them. A lot of the steel that makes up the support frames is usable. So when I part out a treadmill, I cut it up. This one is 1/8 inch wall. This one is 16th inch wall. And that allows me to have extra steel on hand for all of my projects. Even the decking that comes on a treadmill has uses. This table that I'm using right here is nothing more than a treadmill deck sitting on two sawhorses. I've made a lot of shelving out of treadmill decking. It's usually 3/4 inch high density particle board, and so it has lots and lots of uses.
If you like what you've seen, please click like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.